the very beginning, I've always had a burning desire to help people in whatever capacity we could. When we first started Kies, we didn't have any kind of following or influence. We had absolutely no money. And quite frankly, we didn't even have all that much time. But we gave all that we had to offer at the time, which was really just sharing knowledge about how to work on your car from home. Now time went on and we started to grow, but we never lost our focus. We knew that we were called to some kind of higher purpose that was more than just the amazing cars that we had the opportunity to work on. So this year, we called a couple of our friends, we invited the community, and my wife Caitlin worked out all of the details, permits, insurance, and all the requirements with Atlantic City to host the 2021 Kies Auto Show, and at the event, something amazing happened. Over 550 cars and 2,500 attendees came from all over the country, united to share our passion with cars, but also to help out those in need. This year, we're very proud to say that by the grace of God, we were able to collectively raise and donate $26,500 to those who are battling lymphedema. That's not $2,600, that's $26,500 that went to help those in need through the 2021 Kies Auto Show. Thank you to everyone who came, vendors who supported us, and our family and friends that made all of this possible. We love you all and want you to know that we're changing lives and making a difference together.